Hello, this is 2000 Chrysler 200, 2016. I'm replacing the starter push button. Um, anyway, this this is the switch button for the starter switch button. Anyway, going over here in this hole over here. To pull it out, we just need to push these clips over here too, and one more back here. This one right there, it's a clip. And I mean, putting back in it is a easy. Just be to hook it up this wire and uh, put it back in it, just like that. Click, and it's in there. So I remove this cover back here. I mean, then you can see it there. But anyway, this is pretty simple. Do this work. As you see, it's already in.